Let's talk about one of the most maddening things about AI today. Its memory is, well, terrible. We've all been there. But what if that could be fixed? A new approach from researchers at Alibaba and Wuhan University might just be the solution we've been waiting for. Let's get into it. You know the feeling, right? You're deep into a chat, you've laid out all the important details, and then, poof, it completely forgets something you told it 5 minutes ago. It feels like a glitch, but it's not just you. This AI amnesia is actually a core technical problem. So, what's really going on under the hood? It all comes down to something called the context window. Just think of it as the AI short-term memory. The catch is, it's a fixed size. So as your conversation goes on, old information literally gets shoved out to make space for the new stuff. That's why an AI can seem so brilliant one second and totally clueless the next. Now, developers have had a workaround for this for a while. It kind of works, but honestly, it's a clunky fix. It's basically like giving the AI two separate brains that are really, really bad at talking to each other. Here's the analogy. You've got the short-term memory, that context window, which is like a desk covered in sticky notes. It's great for what's right in front of you, but it's chaotic and you run out of space fast. Then you have the long-term memory, which is like a big filing cabinet way down the hall. It can store a ton, but it's slow and you have to know exactly what file you're looking for. And this is where the old approach really falls apart. These two systems were completely separate. Getting a piece of info from a sticky note into the filing cabinet, that needed a whole bunch of external rules and complex systems to manage it. The AI itself had absolutely no say in what it remembered or what it forgot. In practice, this clumsy setup was a disaster. It was fragile, super prone to errors, and those important little details that you only mention once, yeah, those were almost guaranteed to get lost. Plus, running all those extra control systems made the whole thing complicated and expensive to operate. The AI was just a passive observer of its own memory. But this is where things get really cool. The researchers behind this new paper had this incredible aha moment. They just asked one simple question that changes the entire game. What if, instead of all these clunky external rules, the AI could just decide for itself what's important enough to file away for later, what can I keep on my desk, and what's just junk I can throw out? What if memory management wasn't a chore, but just another skill the AI could learn? And that is the absolute core idea of their new framework. They call it Agentic Memory, or AgeMem. It basically gives the AI's two brains a proper connection. Managing memory is no longer some outside job. It's now an action, a choice the AI can make at any given moment, just like it chooses to write a sentence. So how they do it? Well, they gave the AI its own memory toolkit. Now, at any point in a conversation, the AI can decide to generate a response, or it can decide to use one of these tools. It can add a new fact to its long-term memory, update something it already knows, or retrieve an old memory right into the current conversation. The AI is finally in the driver's seat. Okay, so the AI has the tools, but how does it learn when and how to use them? You can't just write a bunch of rules. That puts you right back where you started. Nope, they came up with this really smart three-stage training process. Think of it like a boot camp for AI memory. In stage 1, it's basic training. Just learn to spot important facts and store them away. Then, in stage 2, they turn up the heat. They flood its short-term memory with a ton of useless, distracting information, forcing it to learn how to filter out the noise. And finally, stage 3 is the graduation exam. It has to pull everything together, retrieve from long-term, clean up its short-term, and solve a complex problem. And this might be the most brilliant part, how they reward the AI. See, it doesn't just get points for getting the final answer right, it's also graded on how well it managed its workspace, how clean it kept its context window, and it gets points for the quality of the notes it decided to file away. So it's not just being trained to be smart, it's being trained to be an organized, efficient thinker. So the whole theory sounds amazing, right? But the million-dollar question is, does this thing actually work? Well, the researchers ran it through 5 different benchmarks designed to test long-term reasoning. And yeah, the results are pretty incredible. Just look at this jump. The regular AI without any special memory tricks scored about a 44. The best previous method nudged that up to about 46. But AgeMem, it scored over 54. That's not just a small improvement, that is a massive leap forward. It just shows this unified approach really works. And it gets better. It wasn't just about getting better scores on the test. The things it chose to remember were actually higher quality too.
It was better at figuring out what was truly important to save for later. It's not just a better test taker, it's becoming a better curator of its own knowledge.
But here's the kicker, especially for anyone who actually pays the bills to run these models, it's more efficient. Because it learned how to filter and summarize, AgeMem actually used about 5% fewer tokens without hurting performance at all. And in the world of AI, fewer tokens means lower costs and faster answers. Okay, so a chatbot that doesn't forget your favorite color. That's nice. But the real implications of this are so much bigger than just fixing annoying chatbot conversations. This quote from the paper says it all. This is a fundamental shift in how we think about AI. Memory shouldn't be some clunky add-on. It should be a core skill that the AI learns and masters. By doing this, we're not just building better chatbots. We're building the foundation for something way more powerful. We're talking about creating AI agents that can actually act on their own. Imagine an AI that could manage a complex project for weeks, learning from every conversation and adapting to new information, all without a human needing to constantly guide it and remind it of things. That's the future this unlocks. So that leaves us with this one final, really fascinating thought. We've seen what AI can do even with its flawed, forgetful memory. So what happens when that's no longer a problem? What could an AI that can learn, adapt, and remember almost perfectly over weeks, months, or even years truly achieve? What problems could it finally solve for us?